working on a new workbook. This one is about calm confidence. It's Marilyn Devonish here, the NeuroSuccess coach, and it's 52 pages as it stands at the moment. And really, it's a fantastic way to start the year, but you could use it at any type of year. So going through a number of assessments first of all. So you're looking at all areas of your life, the mind-body connection, letter to self. Looking at how your approach to life impacts how you show up in the world, a bit on mindfulness, affirmations, compassion, how to challenge negative thinking, questions for identifying negative thoughts, limiting beliefs, a bit on breathing, how to scan the body, some thoughts on mindfulness and places where you can have your, add your own input. There's a loving kindness meditation. Whole thing about physical health is included in this with a series of coaching questions, ways that you can create a daily plan, mindfulness practices, sleep assessment, oh my God, areas for reflection about establishing a sleep routine, some nutritional habits, giving you the opportunity to look at your diet on a day-to-day basis, looking at your social connections, how the past impacts you, your support system, how you can seek professional help. I'm going to add a few mental health resources in here, and there's space for you, of course, to add your own different ways that you can approach therapy. And I've got a free quiz that you can do which points you in the right direction, so I'll add the link to that. Longer term strategies, how to maintain it, how to reflect on your achievements, your milestones, places for you to journal. Whew. There's a lot, and hey, you did it, you get to the end. So for those of you who are on my e-newsletter list, you're going to get an access to free 24-hour flip book where you can flip through it. There'll also be a special offer if you did want to purchase it. So yeah, just working on this now, so keep an eye on your email inbox for the free link, and I will share a link out in the public as well if you wanted to purchase a copy of this workbook. And I'll do a little mini audio series around it as well, with some additional coaching and ideas and things that you can do. If you're not already on my list, you can easily sign up. Go to my main website, I'll say it and I'll spell it, it's transformationstm.com. so www.trance, as in hypnotic trance, TRANCE, F for Freddy, so FORMATIONS, TM as in trademark, so transformationstm.com. When you look on the top left, you'll see a box where you can sign up for my e-newsletter. And if you look at the top, normally top right, depending on your configuration of your device, you'll see a watch new button, and I will add a link there as well once I've finished updating and tweaking the workbook, where you can actually purchase a copy if you're not getting the free preview for the e-newsletter subscribers. All right, I shall leave it there. Enjoy, 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 and as it says here, wishing you continued success and a life filled with peace, joy, and well-being. Marilyn Devonish, the NeuroSuccess coach, over and out. And of course, feel free to share this if you know someone who could benefit from really taking a bit of a deep dive and having a wonderful boost for the rest of this year and beyond. Catch you all later.